Let me ask you something directly. If your company asked you tomorrow, do you know SAP BTP? What would you say? Because right now, that one question is deciding who gets promoted, who gets hired, and who gets left behind in the SAP world. I am Manish, 20 years of SAP consulting across global projects. And in this video, I am going to explain SAP BTP in the clearest way possible. No jargon, no textbook definitions, just real practical understanding that you can use from tomorrow. Here is exactly what we are covering today. What SAP BTP actually is, in language anyone can understand. Why it is the most urgent skill in the SAP ecosystem right now. Its 4 pillars, explained with real examples. How it directly connects to SAP, SD, MM and FICO. And what this means for your career and salary. Stay till the end because the career section alone will change how you think about your next 5 years in SAP. Let's go. For 30 years, SAP ran on one system, SAP ECC. Every company, every industry, finance, manufacturing, retail, logistics, all running on SAP ECC. And consultants like me built entire careers on it. SD on ECC, MM on ECC, FICO on ECC. But here is the problem. SAP ECC mainstream support is ending. Companies across the world are being forced to move to SAP S/4HANA and to SAP BTP. This migration wave happening right now in 2026 is the single biggest career opportunity the SAP ecosystem has seen in a decade. And the consultants who understand BTP are the ones getting called first. So what exactly is this platform everyone is suddenly talking about? SAP BTP stands for Business Technology Platform. Here is the simplest definition I can give you. BTP is the intelligent layer that sits above your core SAP system, S/4HANA or ECC, and helps your organization integrate systems, build applications, manage data, and add artificial intelligence, all on one cloud platform. Think about a typical company today. They run SAP S/4HANA for core operations, Salesforce for customer management, SuccessFactors for HR, a custom mobile app for field workers, Excel for financial reporting. 5 different systems, 5 different silos, data duplicated everywhere, processes breaking at every handover. SAP BTP is what connects all of this. It is the platform that makes 5 disconnected systems work as one. Let me give you an analogy that will make this crystal clear. Imagine you want to open a restaurant. You need a kitchen, electricity, gas, refrigeration, billing system, supply chain for ingredients, staff management. Building all of this from scratch would take years and cost crores. But what if you could rent a fully equipped commercial kitchen? Everything is already there. Electricity, gas, equipment, security, maintenance. You just walk in and start cooking your specific menu. That is exactly what SAP BTP does for an organization. Instead of building cloud infrastructure, databases, security systems, and integration tools from scratch, the company simply uses BTP's ready-made services and focuses on solving their specific business problem. You focus on the business. BTP handles everything behind the scenes. This is why BTP is called a Platform as a Service, PaaS. You don't build the platform, you use it. Now, as of 2026, SAP BTP offers over 80 individual services. That sounds overwhelming, but don't worry. All 80 services fall under just 4 main pillars. Understand these 4 pillars and you understand BTP. Pillar 1, Database and Data Management. Every company has data scattered across dozens of systems: SAP systems, non-SAP systems, cloud systems, on-premise systems. This pillar brings all of that data into one place. The main product here is SAP HANA Cloud, an in-memory database that processes massive amounts of data at extraordinary speed. Real-time data, no delays, no data silos. Pillar 2, Analytics. Once your data is in one place, you need to make sense of it. SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, lives in this pillar. It gives business users the ability to build dashboards, run reports, create forecasts, and make data-driven decisions without needing IT support for every single report. ACFO can build a live cash flow dashboard that pulls directly from S/4 HANA. No Excel, no delays, real numbers right now. Pillar 3, Application Development and Integration. This is the largest pillar, and for functional consultants, the most immediately relevant one. It has two parts: integration, the SAP Integration Suite. This is the bridge that connects SAP systems to non-SAP systems. S/4 HANA talking to Salesforce. SAP sending purchase orders directly to a supplier system. SAP SD receiving orders automatically from an e-commerce platform. Over 3,400 pre-built integrations, 170 third-party connectors, out of the box, ready to use. Application development, SAP Build. This is the low-code revolution inside BTP. Business users and consultants can now build custom applications, automate workflows, and design approval processes without writing a single line of code. If you have used Power Apps or Zapier, SAP Build is SAP's answer to that. Enterprise grade, deeply integrated with S/4 HANA. Pillar 4, Intelligent Technologies. This is where AI lives inside SAP BTP. And this pillar alone is transforming how SAP is used at every level. The headline here is SAP Joule, SAP's AI assistant built directly into the platform. Instead of navigating 15 screens to create a sales order, you tell Joule, create a sales order for customer ABC for 100 units of material XYZ with standard pricing. And it does it. Natural language, instant action, no transaction codes, no screen navigation. This is not the future, this is available right now. And consultants who understand how to configure and use Joule are commanding premium rates on every S/4 HANA project globally. Now, here is the section most BTP videos completely skip. How does BTP actually connect to the SAP modules you already know? Let me give you 3 real examples from my own project experience. Example 1, SAP SD and BTP. In a traditional SD setup, a customer places an order on a website. Someone in the sales team sees the email, opens VA01, manually creates the sales order. With BTP Integration Suite, the moment a customer clicks Place Order on the website, BTP captures that event, maps the data, and creates the sales order in VA01 automatically. Zero manual entry, zero human error. Order confirmed in seconds. Example 2, SAP and BTP. Your company raises a purchase order in The supplier uses a completely different ERP, maybe Oracle, maybe a custom system. Without BTP, someone emails the PO as a PDF. Supplier manually enters it in their system. 2 people doing the same work twice. With BTP Integration Suite, the PO flows directly from SAP into the supplier system automatically. Real-time confirmation comes back. No emails, no manual re-entry. Example 3, SAP FICO and BTP. A CFO needs a consolidated profit and loss report across 12 company codes. Traditional approach: finance team extracts data from SAP, pastes into Excel, formats the report, emails it by end of day. Already 8 hours old by the time it lands. With SAP Analytics Cloud on BTP, the CFO opens a live dashboard. All 12 company codes, real-time numbers, drill-down capability, updated every minute. No Excel, no emails, no waiting. Notice something in all three examples. BTP did not replace SD, MM, or FICO. It made them faster, more connected, and more intelligent. That is the key insight every functional consultant needs to carry. BTP is not a threat to your module knowledge, it is a multiplier. Let's talk about what this means for your career. Right now, in 2026, there are two types of SAP professionals. Type 1, the traditional functional consultant. Deep knowledge of one module, SD, MM, FICO, PP. Strong configuration skills, good salary. But a limited growth ceiling. Type 2, the techno-functional consultant. Same functional module knowledge, but with BTP understanding layered on top. Can speak to business stakeholders and technical teams equally. Can design end-to-end solutions that span across systems. This is the profile every SAP project is hunting for right now. Let me give you real numbers. An SAP SD consultant with 5 years experience, solid, well-respected, earns somewhere between 8 and 12 lakh in India. Add BTP knowledge, specifically Integration Suite and SAP Build, and that same profile commands 18 to 25 lakh. Not 5 years from now, right now. In the US and Europe, certified BTP consultants are earning between $120,000 and $180,000 annually. The BTP premium is real, it is significant, and it is only growing. And here is the most important thing I want you to hear. You do not need to become a developer to benefit from BTP. As a functional consultant, you need to understand what BTP can do, how to identify the right solution, how to design the integration, how to communicate requirements to the technical team. That functional to BTP bridge skill, that is the rarest and most valuable profile in the market. So here is how you start. First, complete this playlist. 20 videos, each one 10 to 15 minutes, covering every aspect of BTP from a functional consultant's perspective, completely free. Second, get the free BTP trial account. SAP gives you 90 days of free access to real BTP services. Hands-on practice accelerates learning faster than anything else. Third, focus on Integration Suite first. For functional consultants, this is the most immediately useful BTP component. Fourth, get certified. The SAP BTP Associate certification signals to every employer that you are serious about the cloud. Let me quickly summarize what we covered today. SAP BTP is the unified cloud platform that integrates, extends, and innovates your SAP landscape. It is built on 4 pillars: data management, analytics, application development and integration, and intelligent technologies. It enhances your existing modules, SD, MM, FICO, without replacing them. And the techno-functional consultant who understands both is the most in-demand SAP profile in the world right now. In the next video, we go inside BTP architecture. Global accounts, sub-accounts, Cloud Foundry, environments, all explained simply with real project context. If this video gave you clarity, subscribe to SAP FICO. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one and I respond personally. See you in the next video.